Welcome back to Crypto World News with your favorite host, me, Bitcoin Blondie. Join us today. We give you all the daily news concerning Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and well, you guessed it, more Bitcoin, of course. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for the algorithm, and tap the notification bell below. That way you can get notified of all this awesome content here at Bitcoin Blondie. Alright, let's just get into it. First up, the market. Sunday evening and Monday were just absolutely amazing for Bitcoin, with our 6th green day in a row for Bitcoin yesterday. And since Sunday night, Bitcoin was hovering at and testing the 50-day SMA at $34,297. As mentioned on Sunday, once Bitcoin got through that 50-day moving average, I did not see much resistance all the way to the 21-week EMA at $39,325. Once Bitcoin did exactly that, it pumped hard and fast straight through the 21-week EMA, topping out on TradingView at $40,574 over the next 6 hours. This was a massive short squeeze, causing the liquidation of nearly $900 million in a single day. Wow. On the Binance exchange, seeing as how they are the target and contain the most users implementing leverage, it saw the most considerable short squeeze of all. The price on Binance spiked all the way up to $48,000 before quickly retracing back to roughly $40,500 on the platform TradingView, my preferred platform. After topping out at $40,574, the price backed down to $36,421 over the next 7 to 8 hours as a local low. At about 3 a.m. UTC, Bitcoin started climbing back up toward the next intermediate goal, the 21-week EMA at $45,108. With this transpiring, hopefully this will be a step in the right direction for Bitcoin to resume the bull market. My viewpoint is that Bitcoin would need to get above and bear the last high, which was $41,342 on the 15th of June. Once this happens, the 21-week SMA all-time highs and reaching $100,000 are all an inevitability in the rest of this bull run. The remainder of the market is doing just as well, and in some cases much better than Bitcoin. The token Axie Affinity is the top mover at 33.64% now on Crypto.com exchange, topping out with a 50% move to the upside. This is just one example of many that show overwhelming returns compared to the traditional market. Ethereum has seen a high of $2,415 yesterday, giving it a total move to the upside of 29.89%, setting in currently at $2,301 as the entire market makes the next move. Next up, we're going to take a look at Tesla, which displayed its Q2 earnings presentation on Monday. There are a couple of items that catch the eye when looking at this report. First, despite Tesla's unsubstantiated concerns about Bitcoin's environmental impact on the way it is mined, the company did not sell any more Bitcoin in Q2. They sold 10% of their holdings to test Bitcoin's liquidity in Q1. The sale of Bitcoin in Q1 increased their earnings by $272 million, near 25% of their total profits. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, stated recently that his private company SpaceX holds Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and of course Elon himself also holds Bitcoin. With the sale of that Bitcoin in Q1 and how exceptional it made their bottom line look, there were constant and unfounded rumors that the company did the same thing again for their Q2 earnings. However, this isn't true. Although Bitcoin is considered an inventory asset, Tesla reported a $23 million impairment on their Bitcoin holdings, which allows them to claim Bitcoin's lowest price in that quarter. This is just another major way in which Bitcoin can help institutions as adoption continues. Next up, This narrative brings us back to a very common storyline that has had numerous negative headlines hitting the front pages. With that being said, any news is never good news for the company Tether. This most recent story brings back into question the origins of the company. The U.S. Justice Department is weighing its options on whether it should file criminal charges against the executives of the company who reportedly lied about the nature of its business when operating bank accounts around the world. If true, this would constitute back fraud. There have been rumors that because it was so hard for crypto businesses to open legitimate bank accounts in previous years, that the executives of Tether were not completely open and honest about the full nature of their business. Tether issued the following statement regarding Bloomberg's report, saying that his most recent news, quote, follows a pattern of repackaging state claims as news, end quote. Then going on to say, quote, Tether routinely has an open dialogue with law enforcement agencies, including the DOJ, as part of our commitment to cooperation and transparency, end quote. The DOJ has not commented publicly on this news and the most recent allegations. Tether's functionality is very similar to a bank, with USDT acting as a sort of deposit slip. The question facing Tether users now more than ever is just how reliable the redemption process is likely to be. Put even more simply, whether Tether's backed reserves actually add up to the $61 billion worth of tokens in circulation. If they do not, the company may eventually run out of money to pay out in USDT redemptions. This creates the incentive for a bank run, and the charges against the executives would stir up fear even more, putting people into a freaking frenzy, even if the charges aren't directly related to the question of reserves. All right, everyone. Be safe out there, and remember, stay away from shitcoins. I mean, just be careful, that is. There's too many people falling for rug pulls and scams. Also be aware there are people in the comment section below impersonating me. Just know that I do not have a WhatsApp number, and I will never try to contact or DM you for opportunities to invest with me. As always, thank you for watching me, Bitcoin Blondie, on Crypto World News. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, especially if you enjoyed the content. It really helps out. Have an awesome day. Love you all. Bye.